Hey guys, all right, welcome back. I got all of the cabinets are painted. All I have to do is put hardware on them. All the doors are painted. Everything up here is painted. I'm gonna do the bathroom door, same color as the cabinets. I got all of everything taped off, so I'm gonna be starting in the kitchen. This, I have some more oil-based paint, which is easy to clean. So all of the beadboard in the kitchen is going to be oil-based, easy to clean. Just wipe it off. And all the cabinets are, of course, oil-based as well. So let's get to it. Kitchen is painted. Maybe we'll have to do 2 coats. I should probably do 2 coats. I need to put all these doors on the hardware and the hinges and get those hung and out of the way. Let's let it air out in here a little bit before we do anything else. That oil paint's really off gas, and so it's pretty strong in here right now. Hey guys, all right, here we go. I gotta get rid of some of this stuff. So I'm gonna put some hardware on all of these doors. We got the new hardware. If I can put these 2 doors on, I can put the handles on. We can put the doors and handles and everything up there. We can put the hardware on there and that door, and that will get rid of this pile of stuff, so then we won't have anything obstructing us in there, and it'll just kind of pick up some of this stuff that's sitting around in here. So let's get on it. They're spring-loaded. That's interesting. Yeah, our works. Next. Nice. So this is in the kitchen. It's a semi-gloss, and then I've got a flat that we're going to do the remainder of the wall in. So there isn't too much that needs to be done. Just that wall, that wall. I'm going to do around the refrigerator, that wall, and then the wall up in the bedroom. Let's get this done. I think I'm going to throw a little bit of sanding on it real quick, and then we'll paint it. Okay, I got the first coat on, so we will wait a little bit and let it dry and see what I think of it. I don't know, I might not go with the flat, I might go with the semi-gloss. We'll have to see. But let's let this dry, and then we'll get a second coat on it and see what we think. I went ahead and second coated this. You'll thank me later, trust me. But we got everything done. This the kitchen's got 2 coats. The walls have 2 coats. This is the bedroom wall. So I guess next time I think we'll be taking all of the tape and everything off, and probably doing some trim, or getting the trim, because the trim's going to need to be cut for like the edges and the corners. And then we'll probably, I don't know, maybe we're going to probably have to put the floor, the vinyl down, and then we can do the counter, because I can't do the counter because I want to put the vinyl underneath here where all of the electronics and stuff are going. I'd like to have it one piece instead of seamed at the cabinet there. So I guess next time we'll be pulling tape, doing the floor, and then we can get to the countertop and cabinet, and then who knows what else next. So stay curious, guys. Chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.